Hi guys, I'm very happy today. I want to share you one important news which is very important for me in my life. HostGator featured me. You know, right? HostGator, hosting provider website. They featured me. So I'll give you a link in the description. If you click on that link, you will see exclusive deals from Helloveeru.com. Right? A biggest company, HostGator, featured me, and on the occasion of this, they gave me a coupon code where I can share with my users so that they can purchase hosting somewhere around, like, for 1 year it will cost you 1000 change. That's it. Okay, so this offer will run from March 22nd to 24, and I want you to utilize this offer because you know how hosting is important for a digital marketer. I hope you'll not miss it. So, and this is not any paid partnership, okay, because they featured me as an affiliate. So I'll drop a link in the description, and I'll drop a coupon code in the description as well, and I hope you will not miss it. So swipe up if you're watching this on Instagram, or if you're watching this on YouTube, please check it on the description. You will find the link and the coupon code as well. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.